What have I learned today? They let the concrete firm up to the point where they can get into those little knee boats. That's what I call them. And the reason they do that is it allows them to do the final finish work on the surface without damaging the current surface. So you learn a lot when you're out here. And also, because I finally made an observation, I should have told them earlier, I went off to breakfast with some friends, is that they had rightfully assumed that this was going to be a garage door, which it is, but what they do with garage doors is they bevel it. They edge it, and I didn't have a video of the edging, but because I told them soon enough, they were able to actually fill in that space with concrete and make a nice solution. If I'd waited a couple more hours, it would not have turned out as well. So, as usual, it's working out great. Learned a lot about concrete. Guys are artists. I love it. So, talk to you later. Have a good day. Bye.